Well, I've managed to get a couple of things in here now. I tried to have the taller things at the back, and I've elevated the plants that are in the pot a little bit more to the back, and I'm going to have the front a little bit lower, so we can have our lawn with the little pink flowers put in, and it'll go perfect with my little house with the pink and blue and white. Basically, that's what my flowers were, with a little touch of yellow. So I thought we did pretty good. Let's get busy and finish this up. Now I have all my plants in that I'm going to put in, and we're going to fill in all that dirt with grass clippings. You know, Grandma's cheap. She doesn't want to spend a lot of money. And we've already spent enough money on plants. So I have no idea what we have here in plants. Probably in the container, probably close to $20, I'm sure. The ground cover, these little flowers will die back, but we'll still have the greenness of these. And these were bought over at M&M Nurseries because they have miniature plants for fairy gardens. These I probably bought at Home Depot or Lowe's. I think they look great on the fairy gardens. We probably shouldn't even, only thing we should probably be counting really are the ground cover, because everything else has been used in past posts, all the other flowers. Because I do move them around. These were in containers of their own, and I actually planted them in here now. The yellow flowers in the center are going to get quite a bit bigger, and they will come up higher. And because they're not very tall right now, I went ahead and moved some of my flowers that were over in my other area, because they're in containers, and brought them over here. And I'm going to be leaving a lot of these in their original containers, for they'll come back next year. Now these are in some really nice little pots, and I bought one last year and it came back beautifully, so I'm hoping these will do the same. Like I said, I try to do the best I can to take care of them. I'll probably put them in a cool area where they won't get too much water, but they won't be forgotten. And that way I'll have some beautiful flowers coming up next spring. So anyway, let's get going on finishing this up. Thank you so much for inviting me to your home, my awesome friend.
Thank you, Alice, for coming. I'm so glad that we get to spend some time alone. Just the two of us. I've put out my sign saying we're out to tea. But really, we're going to go inside and have a peaceful cup of tea together, and we're going to get some nice treats. I'm so happy to see you here with us again, and I can't wait to spend a peaceful, quiet afternoon with nobody around but just us. Oh, your place is so beautiful. I just love it. You have done a wonderful job. The flowers look beautiful. Yes, I love flowers everywhere, and everything I thought turned out really nice this year. So glad you're enjoying your trip with us. Oh, Alice, we love having you here. Thanks so much for coming back every year. Oh, you know I love coming here and spending time with all my friends. It's wonderful to be back in in Wonderland again. It's always so wonderful here. Always something new and interesting to see. And I can't wait to see all my friends. We all love having you here too, Alice. And we're all excited about you coming back. Thank you so much for always returning every year.
Oh, I can't wait to see everyone again. Oh my gosh, let's go sit down and rest and have a peaceful time. I always love spending time with you, my dear friend. I'm always happy too. We can just sit down and have a nice cup of tea.
and not worry about time. Just time for the two of us, and that's all.
Oh, that sounds so wonderful, my dear friend. Let's go in and have a nice cup of tea before anyone realizes we're here and everything gets chaotic again.